We will guide you through how to save Photoshop pictures as PNG. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop and load the Photoshop project you want to save as a PNG image. Before exporting, make sure the image is completely finished and ready to be saved in its final form. Check the image dimensions and review the overall appearance carefully, making sure the composition, details, and edits look correct before continuing. When the image is ready, open the File menu at the top of Photoshop and select Save a Copy to create a separate copy of the finished image. Choose the location where you want to save the exported image, such as a folder that is easy to access later. After selecting the location, open the Save as Type drop-down menu and review the available file formats. Select PNG as the file format, so Photoshop creates the image as a PNG file. Next, enter a clear and suitable name for the exported image, making sure it is easy to recognize when you need to find it later. Once the file name is correct, click Save to begin the export process. Photoshop may display PNG export options after you choose to save, so wait for the options to appear if the dialog box is available. Review the PNG settings carefully and make sure they are suitable for the image you are exporting. After checking the settings, confirm them and save the exported PNG file. Wait for Photoshop to finish the export before moving on, especially if the image is large or contains many details. Once the export is complete, go to the location where you save the image and find the new PNG file. Open the Save PNG and check that it displays correctly, making sure the image looks the same as the finished Photoshop project and that the file opens without any problems.